Without adequate light, their survival depends on the grazing of the grassland. Late spring in Box Hill, and the chalk downland is ablaze with colour. The views from the North Downs attract visitors from all over. Salamon's Memorial offers panoramic views of Dorking, the South Downs and Leith Hill. Some of our rarest orchids adorn parts of Box Hill, particularly the Burford Spur and the Mole Gap beyond. Box Hill's multitude of habitats make it a haven for all manner of flora and fauna. The glades and grassland of the Gallops, Donkey Green and Mickleham Downs, the River Mole, along with the box and beech woodlands of Juniper Top, with their flint, clay and chalk soils, are each as unique as the different character associated